Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about knowing our numbers. Chapters we are discussing for the past 2-3 classes, and the 15th data assignment solutions we are going to discuss today now. First is fill in the blanks. We are seeing 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to dash in terms of millimeter. This is the larger unit. Now what is in terms of millimeter? Dash millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. You all know in the scale 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. In between centimeters, you are having small divisions. The small divisions are called as millimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to, we are having 10 millimeters. So each centimeter's gap will be having 10 divisions. Okay. Then 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Actually, your class teacher has been discussed today, I think so. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Same manner, 1 meter is equal to how many millimeters? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, in the sense 100 centimeter is equal to 100 into 10, you will get 1000 millimeters. Clear, students? The units will be like millimeter, next centimeter, next meter, next kilometer. This is the order, ascending order. So smallest unit, next centimeter, next meter, next kilometer. Now 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters, students? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Next one, 1 kilometer is equal to dash millimeter. This is only very important. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and also we know 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So we can write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. I want in millimeters. I want it in millimeters. So what we have to do? Again, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. In place of this 1 meter, I can write 1000 millimeter. In place of this 1 meter, I can write 1000 millimeters. So 1000 into 1000. So what you will get? 1000 into 1000. Number of zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh millimeters. Okay, students? Okay, students. Next problem is 1 kilogram is equal to dash grams. Before going to grams, I want to discuss this small table. In terms of meters means millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. This is the order we have seen. The same thing in gram also. Milligram, centigram, gram, then kilogram. Then in terms of liters also, milliliter, centiliter, liter and kiloliter. So almost similar only in the conversions. In terms of conversions, it is similar. Okay. 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter we have saw. Similarly, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Similarly, 1 gram is equal to, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1 gram is equal to dash milligram they are asking. So again it is 1000 milligrams. 1 liter is equal to dash milliliters. 1 liter is equal to dash milliliters. 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. This is the answer for the first problem. Now we will discuss solution for second problem. How many centimeters makes a kilometer? Listen to the question carefully, students. How many centimeters makes a kilometer? Which means 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeter. This is the question. What is the answer? 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeters. What we know? We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter we know. Again 1 meter is equal to, I know, 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to, I know it is 100 centimeter. So in place of this meter I am replacing this 100. 1000 into 100. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 0, 1 tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. This is the answer for the second problem. Okay students, now we'll discuss the third problem. A box contains 2 lakh medicine tablets, each weighing 20 milligram. There are 2 lakh medicine tablets, you know tablets, so 2 lakh tablets was there. Each weight is given as 20 milligram. What is the total weight of all the tablets in the box in terms of grams and kilogram they are asking. Okay, but we are having given data in milligram. I want the answer in gram and kilogram. What data we know, we will write first. Okay, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram we know. Okay, so from this I want the value of 1 gram. Okay, I want the value of 1 gram. So we can write it as 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram, 1000 into 1 gram like that I am considering. So 1 gram is equal to, this multiplication 1000 completion become division. 1 by 1000 kilogram. This is what required. This is very much important for us. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Okay students? Right. The next thing, in terms of gram, I converted gram to kilogram, but milligram to gram I want to convert. That also we have to know. We know that 1 gram is equal to how many milligram? 1 gram is equal to how many milligram? 1000 milligram. Same, no, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. I get only 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Same, and I want in terms of milligram. So 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So 1 milligram is equal to, 1000 comes here become 1 by 1000 grams. So these two values we have to know. So 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So we have seen 1 gram, the conversions we have taken. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram and 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. These two we have found. Now from the question, a box contains total number of tablets is 2 lakh tablets. Weight of each tablet is 20 milligram. Then what will be the total weight of the tablet? Total weight 2 lakh into 20. So 2 lakh tablets into 20. If you multiply, how much you will get, ma? If you multiply, how much you will get? 2 2s are 4. 0 0 1 0 will increase. So you will get 40 lakh milligram. How much you will get? 40 lakhs milligram. Okay students? So now we have found the total weight as 40 lakh milligram. I want to convert in terms of gram and kilogram. Okay? So in terms of gram. So 1 milligram is equal to 1000 grams. So 40 lakh into, in terms of, in place of milligram you can write 1 by 1000. These 3 zeros will get cancelled. You get the answer as 110 under 1000. 4000 grams. 4000 grams. Now same in terms of kilogram. In terms of kilogram. What is in terms of kilogram? How we can do? So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 gram is equal to, right here, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms, no? So in terms of kilogram, can write 4000 by, how much grams was there, ma? Total weight of the tablet in terms of gram, we are having 400 grams. In terms of kilogram means 1 gram is equal to, I can write 1 by 1000 kilograms. So these 3 zeros will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 4 kg. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the solution for the fourth problem. They are given a map here. A bus is traveling at 60 km per hour. A to B it is going at distance how much? 4170 kilometer. From B to C point it is going at 3410, like that C, D, E, F, G, H and G to A. They are given a map like this. Okay, I am going to write separately from A to B how much? B to C, C to A, like that. Separately I am going to write. I am going to solve the problem. Yes, students. Now I have written from the map that kilometer alone separately I have written. From A to B 4170 kilometer. From B to C, like that I have written the kilometer alone separately. Or the first subdivision is what the total distance from A to D. What the total distance from A to D. So A to D means what will come? A to B plus B to C plus C to D. This is what A to D. Okay, students. What is that? Kilometers? 4170 kilometer plus 3410 kilometers plus 2160 kilometers. So now we have to add all the three. If we add all the three, what you will get? See, from the unit digit I am adding 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, next 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9740 kilometers. This is the distance from A to D. The second subdivision is what the total distance from what is the total distance from D to G? What is the total distance from D to G? D to G means how we will find D to G? D here, G here, from D to G. Okay. So D to G what interval will come? From D to G what interval will come? DE plus EF plus FG. DE, EF, FG. These three will come. So again same method we are going to add. From D to DE how much? 8140 kilometers plus from E to F how much? 4830 kilometers plus F to G is 2550 kilometers. Overall kilometers. So now we are going to add everything. Okay. Now add same that unit digit you are 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, students. If you add unit digit 0, 0, 0. So if you add everything 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry over 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, carry over 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So 15,520 kilometers. This is the answer for the second subdivision. Now for the third subdivision, total distance from A to A. What is this A to A? It is travel from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, again G, again from G again it will came back to A. So what is the total distance they are asking? Very simple. What we are going to do? We are going to add all these values. That is the answer. Okay, students. Add all these values 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Get as 0. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 26, 35. Carry over 3 here, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 18, 20, 25. Carry over 2, 8, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 11, 19, 23, 25, 26. So 26,550 kilometers. This is the total distance from A to A. The last subdivision, difference of distance from C to D and D to E. C to D distance is 2160 kilometer and D to E is 8140 kilometer. Difference means larger value minus smaller value. Larger value minus smaller value. The larger value is 8140 minus the smaller value is 2160. This is the difference between the C to D and D to E. Difference. You see, subtraction no, you write 8140, 2160. Subtract 0, 460 will not go, borrow 14 minus 6 it is 8, become 0, borrow 1 here, become 10, 9, 7 minus 2 it is 5. So the answer is 5,980 kilometers. Okay students, thank you.